two ways to check to see if you have the OneDrive app. The first is by going into Applications, in Finder, and searching for OneDrive. The other is by pressing the Command key and the spacebar key simultaneously and doing a search. If you do not find the OneDrive app on your computer, you'll need to do an install. You can do this by using either Safari or Firefox as your browsers and going to portal.office.com. Sign in using your Delta School's email address. Once logged into the portal, go down to the bottom left where it says Apps, select All Apps, and on the top right, click on Install. Select Install Office. Once it finishes downloading, open your downloads, double-click on the package, and follow the prompts to install the software.